everyone! Kumusta po kayo? Sir Bibal here, and guess what? Natapos na po natin ang Pinoy Fitness Atleta 250 km virtual run or walk challenge. At dahil dyan, na-receive na rin po natin ang ating entitlement. So here, nakuha na natin ang shirt. So far, it says hard work. And dito, Virtual Challenge 2026 250k finisher. Yay! And also this. So let's see. At ang ating medal. See? Kita niya? At nakalagay dyan, Rex Bibal 250k finisher. Thank you, Pinoy Fitness Atleta. And of course, again, shout out to Ma'am Oliva for influencing me and inspiring me to join and finish the 250 km challenge. At ngayon po ay kasalukuyang ka-join po tayo sa Water Virtual Challenge na magtatapos po ng September. And hopefully matapos ulit natin ang 250 km. Hopefully makakuha tayo ng panibagong medal. So ngayon, itry natin. Oh, yan!
Maybe.
At tayo doon sa awarding ceremony. Here is to more runs and more walk this season or this year. So, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Thank you, Pinoy Fitness Atleta. Bye!